Hey guys, this is MiltonWATech99 here, and on November 11th, Veterans Day, I got this package from Amazon. Now yes, all of the information on the package will be censored for my own safety, as well as your guys. So let's get to the unboxing. So just to let you guys know before I get too in-depth into this is part 1 of my computer build series, which I mentioned in the video Plenty of Channel Updates, which you can see in the upper right corner right there. So, in this package specifically, I've gotten plenty of cables as well as a USB 3.0 card reader. See, so this is, yeah, it supports up to 90 megabytes per second read and 60 megabytes per second write. So that's pretty good, but it's not like the speed of an SSD. Oh well. Now here, I have a 3-pin fan cable splitter, as I have a 4-channel fan controller coming soon. Well, hopefully. And I'm going to have 6 fans in my case. Speaking of that, my case is in the upper right corner as I speak. So I will open that next. See, here's another one. So that connects 4 fans to 2 channels, and then 2 other fans will be connected to their own channels. However, now it starts to get interesting. Here's a 4-pin pulse width modulation splitter, as I will be using a push-pull configuration on a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo CPU cooler with 2 Corsair SP120s. Now here's a set of 2 3-foot-long SATA 3 data cables. One of these will be used for my optical drive, while the other will be used for a 1TB Western Digital Black hard drive. So yeah, the SSDs I'm getting, I will put in the RAID 0. They come with their own SATA cables, so that's great. Didn't have to spend too much then. And then, as I mentioned before, here's the USB 3.0 card reader. Okay, now let's get a little bit more in depth into this. I just unboxed this USB 3.0 SD card reader after I had a little blooper. So anyways, you take this cap off and it reveals the USB 3.0 connector. On the side here you have your individual SD card reader as well as your micro SD card reader. Now that's convenient. I don't have to use an adapter for the full-size SD card anymore, which is amazing. Let's put that to the side. Now let's rip open these 2 SATA cables. Sorry if it's a little bit loud downstairs. I have family down there right now. But never mind that. Let me put this there. That looks longer than it is, honestly. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay. Looks extremely nice. Now I'll just skip the duplicates since, well, you don't have time to watch that. Okay guys, here's the pulse width modulation 4-pin header fan splitter unboxing, or unpackaging. Oh, and my mom's fiance is home. Now to open up these 3-pin fan header splitter. Okay, all the connectors are there. Yep, everything's good on this one. Looking good on this one now. and they're all good. Thank you guys for watching. Part 2 will be coming soon.